Hey friends, today I'm going to be uninstalling a ceiling fan. So this one, these screws can just be loosened up here. Make sure your power is off. So you can get a voltmeter or a volt tester. Make sure you test it on something live first. Then okay, once that you know that's working, test your wires. Nothing happens. And so we're good to uninstall this real quick. All right, so these are relatively easy. This has a ball socket right here. We're just going to pull out our wires and bring those down. There's our ground. We just undo our ground. It's kind of a short ground wire there. So unscrew that. That's free. And the next one is our light wire here. Let me get that out. These wires are pretty short here. Usually you got a little bit more to work with, but gonna unscrew that white wire and then screw the cap back on so we don't lose it. And then one more, we have our black wire. Man, that is a really a tight fit in there. Oh my goodness. Don't really have a lot of room to work with. All right, once your wires are disconnected, you can pull your fan. These are supposed to come out of there. It's kind of heavy, so get a good grip there and just pull it out. And that's all you got to do for this one. A lot of the fans are easy remove now. And then we can just remove this housing as well. And that's all there is to it, my friends. Super simple, no problem. Let's unscrew this one here. And unscrew this screw here. All right. Okay. Thanks for watching this video, my friends. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.